Hello, it's Malek, and here's a tutorial on how to just get started with the Arduino UNO. So the Arduino UNO is a little bit different from the Arduino Nove or other models because it uses a different USB, a different way of talking to the computer. So there are drivers to install, and if you don't figure that out right away, it can be kind of hard to get your Arduino working. So if we pull up the Arduino environment, we just let's open just a random sketch. Let's go servo. Actually, let's go. Let's just make it a blink. So if we have that and we try and upload it to the Arduino, we'll get this message, already in use. It's already in use by my Bluetooth. So if if I disable my Bluetooth, I'll get COM4 cannot be found. Which is the same with two other computers I've tried this on, and finally I figured it out. Alright, so you get this message, or you get serial port COM4 or whatever serial port you're on cannot be found. Alright, so if you go to your control panel and you go to hardware and sound and device manager, you have unknown device, which is your Arduino. Now if you go update driver software and you click search automatically, searching, and you won't get anything. That's because unlike some of the other Arduinos, this one needs a special driver. The other ones just needed the FTDI driver. I'm not sure what this one needs, but it needs other drivers, so I'll teach you how to install that. So we're not getting anywhere here, so let's hit cancel. It's not canceling. Cancel. Right, okay. So you have this unknown device and you really don't know what to do with it, and nothing shows up in your COM port. So we have this, so let's get that. Let's get rid of these two things. Actually, here, let's bring them back up. So if you click on, let's go back to the USB unknown device, and we'll go update driver software. We're going to want to go into browse my computer. So when you download the Arduino environment, Arduino 1.0, it comes with all of your drivers that you will need to install. So let's go up here, let's go to computer, or wherever your program files are, or wherever you put the environment. Let's go to Arduino and click on drivers. Actually, is this the right Arduino? Yeah, that's alright. So click OK, click next. You might get something like this: install driver software anyway. Installing. Alright, so we installed that software. It's also, I realized that I clicked on the wrong program files, and this was an older version, but it still works. If you want the newer version of the Arduino software, you can go up, you can go local list C program files x86, which is the 32-bit programs. Arduino 1.0, which is this environment, is right there. You would want to click on drivers right there, and in there are everything you need. So we're just going to run through that again. We're going to go update driver software, browse my computer. This time we're going to go to program files x86, Arduino 1.0. Click on the drivers folder, leave it there, don't click on FTDI USB drivers. Okay, and next, and installed it pretty fast. Arduino, alright, you'll notice that it's not in the other devices as listed as an unknown device anymore. It's in the COM ports, Arduino UNO, and it's listed, and the computer recognizes it as Arduino UNO revision 3 on COM 6. So if we restart the environment, we can go open basics blink and click upload. Alright, you'll notice that still have that problem. Troubleshooting, board, Arduino UNO, that's good. Serial port, here's our problem. So you'll notice here in your device manager it says Arduino UNO revision 3 COM 6. Well, right now we're on COM 4. What we want to do is go up to tools, make sure your board is selected as an Arduino UNO. Next go down to serial port. We have these three. Since it says COM 6 over here, we select COM 6 over here. Now it says COM 6, and I bet if we try uploading again, yep, we get the TX and RX to flash. If you saw that, we'll do it again. Notice how the TX and RX are flashing, like, yep, and we're blinking. So if I, yep, and so yeah, that's how you get it working. It took a little while for me to figure out. That's it. Hope this helped you. If you were having trouble getting it started, and subscribe or comment if you have any questions or something didn't work. Thanks for watching. Bye.